Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the irregular verbs, the 3 columns. Let's start. So here what we are going to do is to learn the 3 columns. In the first column you've got the verb in infinitive. Second column is for the past simple. And the third column is for the past participle. We are going to read all these verbs in the 3 columns. After finishing reading these verbs, I'm going to give you some tips for learning them. Be, was, were, been. We use was for the third singular person, he, she, and it. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Burn, burned, burned. Buy, bought, bought. Can, could, been able to. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Drink, drank, drank. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Know, knew, known. Learn, learned, learned. Leave, left, left. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Write, wrote, written. Ring, rang, rang. Run, ran, ran. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Send, sent, sent. Sow, sowed, sown. Sing, sung, sung. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoke. spoken. Spell, spelled, spelled. Spend, spent, spent. Swim, swam, swam. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Think, thought, thought. Understand, understood, understood. Wear, wore, worn. Win, won, won. Write, wrote, written. Now I'm going to teach you some tricks for learning these irregular verbs. Pay attention. Some of them end in GHT. For example, you have bring, buy, and catch. All of these verbs end in GHT in the second and the third column. Brought, bought, and caught. There are other verbs that follow a pattern in the vowels. For example, I, A, U. First column, drink, sing, sing. Then second column, drank, sang, sang. Third column, drank, sang, sang. Other verbs have double vowel in the first column and in the second, and the third only one. For example, choose in the first column, then in the second and the third, chose, chosen, one vowel. Lose, two vowels. Lost, lost, one vowel. Freeze, two vowels. Froze, frozen, one vowel. Other verbs follow this pattern. In the first column, you have an E, long E. And then you have a short E, E. Let's see it with bleed. First column, bleed. Then bled, bled. Feed, fed, fed. Read, read, read. Although you see here E and A, this is a short sound. Red, red, like the color red. Other verbs follow this pattern. You, own. For example, blow, blew, blown. Grow, grew, grown. Fly, flew, flown. And then you have other verbs that have the same vowel in the first, in the second, and in the third column. For example, bet, bet, bet. Cut, cut, cut. Set, set, set. It's not only that they have the same vowel, but they don't change in anything from their infinitive form. Bet, cut, or set. Here I leave you this exercise. Here you have to complete the columns. And here I leave you the space for writing them in your own language. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.